Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Doom soundtrack on guitar. We will cover the fundamental techniques, the specific gear you will need, and how to dial in that signature aggressive tone. By the end, you will have a clear roadmap to start shredding those demonic riffs. Get ready to unleash some serious metal. To truly capture the Doom sound, mastering chord techniques is crucial. Palm muting is essential for those chugging, rhythmic parts, giving your riffs a powerful, percussive attack. Consistent down picking provides the aggression and clarity needed for fast, heavy passages. Furthermore, power chords form the fundamental building blocks of nearly every iconic Doom riff, so practice them diligently. Achieving the signature Doom tone requires specific gear and settings. You will need a high-gain amplifier, often with the mid-range boosted, to get that aggressive, cutting sound. Humbucker pickups are almost always necessary for their thick, powerful output, driving your amplifier effectively. Finally, a noise gate is vital to keep your sound tight and eliminate unwanted hum, especially with high-gain settings. Consistent practice is key to mastering these techniques. Start by practicing slowly with a metronome to build precision and timing, gradually increasing your speed. Focus on learning iconic Doom riffs, such as those from E1M1 or At Doom's Gate, to apply your skills. Understanding the song structures will help you play entire tracks, allowing you to truly embody the spirit of Doom on your guitar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.